In fact, you could stack them. I'm a big fan of stacking rituals. What you would do is you would start off the supreme invoking ritual, the pentagram of air. You would start that off with the analysis of the keyword, and then open up the ritual by, you do this your spirit, your active spirit pentagram, charging it with XRP, and then you're invoking pentagram of air, charging it with Oro Iza Pade Zope. Then actually you would switch fire and air, and you'd be invoking fire in the east. If you wanted to do this, stack the hexagram ritual over the two pentagrams of the supreme. So it'd be like, three three sigils over one in one ritual. But you can do this. It's stacking. It's pretty dope. And what you would do is, so in the east you would, well, if you were just doing the regular supreme invoking ritual of the pentagram, actually fuck that. I'm sorry, I'm wrong. You would not, you wouldn't worry because you'd be invoking the same element in every direction. Sorry. So you would be saying X harpe in every direction, and then, but so facing east, what you will do is say the instead of air of air, it's going to be fire of air, the Enochian call, and that's going to be call number 9, I believe. And then you would do call 8, 7, then 3. Or wait, no, you call air of air is call 3, so it'd be 9, 3, 7, and 8, something like that. It would be fire of air of air in the south. West would be water of air. And then north would be earth of air. The Enochian calls. Oh, and I forgot to mention the spirit active Enochian call. That's the first Enochian call. So you would say that once, and then do the different Enochian calls in the different quarters. Then you would say I invoke the archangel let's just let's just keep it airs east. I invoke the archangel Raphael and the ruler Arel and the angel Taliyahad and the king Gob, I think. Whatever. And then I believe it's the sylphs. Oh, and then I don't remember the daemon, but there's a daemon of the east, and you'd call that, maybe it's Azazel, I'm not sure. So you'd call that, and then you would say that after every Enochian call, and so now you're invoking all the forces of the element, and then when you come back to the east, instead of invoking archangels, you're going to invoke the archangels of Mercury and Hod and Samael. So I think that's I'm actually not quite 100 on I'm not quite 100 on who's in Samael. So, but it'd be I believe it's two, isn't it? Baal and fuck, I don't know. But it's shown as two sometimes. There is one major one, Adremelik or something maybe. I'm not sure, but you would call the archangel of Hod of the Sephirah, which would be Mikael of Hod, and the archangel of the planet Mercury is Raphael of Mercury, and then the choir of the Beni Elohim, and then the intelligence Tafartharath, and the intelligence Tiriel, and the spirit Tafartharath. And then you would say of the Cliffa of Samael, I call forward the powers of such and such. That'd be at the end. You'd go on the sign of Osiris slain. And then you would end that with a Kabbalistic cross, or a Qliphothic cross if you want to, whatever you want to do. But then you would do the middle pillar, the Qliphothic middle pillar, or the regular middle pillar, or you could do them both. But then you would have, now if let's say you wanted to do just fire of air, you would do the same Enochian call 9 in every direction. So you would switch up the Enochian calls, you would say.